scarf.
I love your scarf too, Athena.
So how do you like the wedding so far?
It was nice. I think they're perfect together.
The food's really good.
Yep, it is.
I love the crab.
The crab too.
Yum. I'm the only god that didn't get invited to this wedding, but I'm still here. Whoever gets this golden apple gets to be the fairest.
Give me it! No, mine!
It's mine!
Move!
It's mine!
I'm Aphrodite, the god of love and beauty.
Yeah,
I
but
should
I'm
get it.
prettier than you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
It's mine.
No, it's mine.
I am the goddess Hera, and I am the fairest. Zeus.
No, Paris will decide who's the fairest.
But it's mine.
No, it's not. Go.
Stupid Zeus.
Whoever gives me the best bride will be the fairest.
Paris, I will help you rule the world. I will make you victorious in battle. You will be the best.
Good.
Paris, I will give you a guarantee love with the most beautiful woman in the world, Helen, who is the wife of Sparta.
Here's your golden apple. You rightfully deserve it.
I missed it. Who won?
Aphrodite. So, when will I get to meet Helen?
Helen, this is Paris.
Hello, Helen.
Hello,